All right, number 6.6 wants you to solve with graphing technology. Because of the different bases, this one has log base 7 and log base 2. You can't do the combining these two because the base has to be the same, and this variable x is also a problem. So we will have to use graphing technology. So you either use the calculator app on the phone, which the steps may be a little bit different, but the setup is all the same. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to do change of base formula for both of these log expressions. So we start out with log base 7 of x plus 2, and then minus log base 2 of x minus 1, and that equals 2. So we're going to rewrite this with change of base. I'm going to just leave it as the normal base 10. Okay, so this is on top, this is on bottom. So this is log of x plus 2. I'm not even going to write a base. The calculator will understand 10, and I can't change it in my calculator anyway. And then on the bottom is log of 7. Okay, so my old calculator that I'm going to use cannot change base, so just leave it whatever, or you can even write ln. And then I'm going to write minus, and then same thing over here, log x minus 1 on top over log of 2 on the bottom. All right, and then that is equal to 2. All right, so once we do this, we have two sides of equations. These are going to be two equations in our calculator. So I'm going to go over to the calculator now and show you. And I'll explain the difference that you'll see on the phone app when you use that one. So I'm going to go to y equal, top left right here, y equal, clear out anything I have, and in y1 I'm going to input this. So this calculator will not make a fraction bar, so you're going to have to add extra parentheses. You're going to have to put parentheses around the whole top and then around the whole bottom, and you have to do that over here as well, whole top and the whole bottom. Actually, yeah, it'll be extra parentheses. So I'm going to open, I guess I have to type it on the calculator, open parentheses, log right here next to 7 of x plus 2, x plus 2, and then you're going to close twice. That's the top. And then divided by, and then open log of 7, close it twice. So that's the first part. And then minus. And then I'm going to open it, log of x minus 1, close twice, so that ends the numerator, and then divided by, open parentheses, log of 2, close it twice. So notice my calculator does not give a base. It's understood base 10, and that's totally fine. You can have any base as long as they're all the same. All right, once we do that, I'm going to go down to y2, and I'm going to put the other side of the equation in, the number 2. So you got to be very careful, double check, make sure you got everything right. We got log x plus 2 divided by log 7, then minus log x minus 1 divided by log of 2. All right, I'm going to graph. So this is the picture I get. These two lines intersect. That is the solution that I'm looking for. That's my solution. So the way you get the calculator to figure that out is you have to go to calculate, which is in yellow. So I have to hit second, and then I have to hit this trace button, second trace, and this pops up. So I want option number 5, intersect. Now here's where it gets different for you on the phone app. Mine is asking first curve. Yours is probably going to ask left bound. Okay, so you want to arrow over and move your cursor. I can't even see mine. Okay, there we go. You're going to arrow left and right. This is telling you where it is. So I don't have, my graph looks kind of disappears up that way. So as I go left and right, you just want to make sure that cursor is on the left side of that intersection. So mine is asking first curve. I can just hit enter anywhere. All right. And then it asks second curve. So it's on this line. All you need to do, yours is going to ask right bound. So you're going to arrow until your cursor is on the right side of that intersection. Mine is asking second curve. I can just hit enter anywhere. And then it says, do you want to guess? You can hit enter. You don't have to guess. Okay. And it's computing, and here it goes. So it tells me that my intersection, and we want to round to 2 decimal places, is 1.386. Okay. So x equals 1.386. This 6 will cause this to round up. So we're going to round to 1.39. Okay. So that will be our solution, 1.39.